guys, I am Bianca, and today we will be making it cozy with upcycled baby food jars turned into fall candlesticks using apple barrel paint. For this project, you'll need emptied and cleaned baby food jars. You'll also need your choice of apple barrel paint. I'll be using white, classic caramel, toasted marshmallow, outrageous orange, black, and sunbeam. You'll also need twine and paintbrushes. The first step for this project is to use any type of strong hold adhesive glue that you have at home to attach all of your baby food jars together. Make sure you save one of the tops to use as the candle holder that will go on the top of your candlestick. Once all of your baby food jars are glued together, grab the top that you saved and add glue to the bottom of it and add it to the top of your stacked jars. The next step is to paint your jars your choice of apple barrel paint color. For my candlestick, I'll be using outrageous orange, white, and black. To create a lighter color orange, I am combining the outrageous orange and the white together. Once you've base coated your candlestick, the next step is to distress it by adding random black stripes all along your candlestick, and then we'll smooth these out with the orange color that we used previously to this one. The last step for this project is to cut a piece of twine so that you can add a nice bow around the top of your candlestick.
For more project ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com.